Hooray! Today, let's learn the phrasal verb beat somebody up. It means to hit someone many times. Speed means somebody. So, beat somebody up, hit somebody repeatedly. It's informal and often used to talk about fights. You can say, they beat him up, or they beat up him. But the first way is more natural. Use it when someone is hurt by hitting. Example, he was beaten up by bullies. You can use it in past, present, or future. For example, they will beat him up. Be careful. It talks about violence. Don't use it in formal writing. It's common in stories or news. Similar words are hit or punch, but beat somebody up means many hits. Now, try to use it in a sentence. Remember, beat somebody up, hit somebody many times. Thanks for watching. See you next time.